The rest is history, baby. Oh yeah. That's awesome. That is awesome.
Yep.
She's trying to fly up, little sunshine. Oh, there she is. What you doing up in here, little girl? You know you get fried if you come up here. Yep. You get drumsticks and chicken wings and chicken breast and what else? Huh? You want to get fried? You want to get fried? Alright, look at you. Little brave you, little pollita. Look at you. Oh, she's so cute. You'll fly down?
Yep. No, they're hitting it. That's what I want. I'll let that food bucket, you know, just do its thing.
You chickadee. Ooh, you gonna fly down? You just wanna hang out. You just wanna hang out, little girl? Ah, goodness. Ooh. You gonna fly down? Chicky chicky? Whee!